Alright boys, Ficus and Toast. We're down here in the old GR again. We're gonna go meet up with Adam from Ferris Fishing and do some fishing from the Fulton Street Bridge. So I'm gonna let Max take over for a second, do a little bit of videoing before we get there. Go ahead, Max. Show them where we're at, give them some insight downtown. This is the DeVos Arena. They do a lot of shows down here and stuff. A lot of cool things happen here. We're just about to the bridge area where we want to go. Go ahead. This guy wants to go across. Alright guys, Ficus and Toast down here, me and Max. Max been around showing me your cool Ficus and Toast shirt. It's a pretty awesome custom made one. We got Adam from Ferris Fishing down here. We got Ryan from Rustic Treasure Hunters. I'm gonna walk over there real quick. You can throw in if you want, Max, or you can wait. What's going, Adam?
What's up?
Adam Ferris and Fishing, you all know. Anything good yet?
Just old iron. It's the only cool thing.
Pretty much all we get lately.
Yeah.
That's alright though. I'm gonna walk over here and say hi to Ryan real quick.
Alright.
We'll put his link in the video if you haven't seen, which I'm sure everybody already has seen him, so. Alright, I'm gonna head over here a minute, Max. Just throw in?
Yeah, well, I don't think they got this.
What do you mean?
Here.
It'll be alright. Oh,
Yeah, but I don't like that.
okay. Take this a minute and I'll fix it. I accidentally tied Max's magnet up wrong. He's gonna take the phone real quick so I can fix it. Alright, across the street, we're gonna go over here and see Ryan real quick. From Rustic Treasure Hunters. I'll put his link in the video as well. Hey Ryan, how's it going?
Hey, good, how are you?
Good. Getting anything good yet?
I got some,
Well, I don't want to show it. If
oh, you're good.
Whole bunch of junk. Good junk. We like
Good
junk. Oh, that old pipe wrench
Yeah,
is
old
awesome.
pipe wrench. Spoon.
Nice.
I got a button. Got some
Railroad
other junk.
spikes. Yeah, we got like 300 railroad spikes.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
That's what I collect too. I just keep all those.
Dude, we got all ours too. Yeah, so this is Ryan from Rustic Treasure Hunters. You'll get a link down below. Check them out.
Got something big down here. Trying to get it. So I don't think we can get it with the little hanger.
click.
Oh, it's a shopping cart.
Oh, it's a shopping cart. It's another shopping cart. Ready?
Yeah, I don't think I could have got that with this little guy.
Oh, I lost it. I'm on it still. Here's the other end. Yeah. If you hold that there with the tighten, I'll throw the grapple down there. Nice, Max. First throw in, you got that.
Trying to get it up right now. Fell a second ago. I think we got it. Hopefully it doesn't hit the bridge and fall off.
What, Adam? This is a hell of a lot easier than that guy helped me last week. Cause I think you're a little tougher than he is.
Here we go.
Ryan.
That's our first one.
You gotta start the video first before I start talking.
Yeah, probably.
All right, there it goes. There's the cart we pulled out with Adam from Ferris Fishing. We got one, so I think Adam's gonna take it and use it.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. It's in real nice shape. Yours is actually this one's better than ours because our tire's bent, but
Oh, really?
a little bit. All right, that's it. Cool. Good job, Max.
Dad's got something right now. Some probably bait. Probably big. I don't know what it is though.
Well, it's big. I'm going all over with it. What the hell is it? It's a safe door, dude.
It is?
Adam.
No, you don't know that. Don't just keep bringing it up because you don't know that. I think it's just a plate.
I don't know. I think it's a safe door, dude.
I don't know. I don't think so.
It's a square piece of metal, Max.
So?
What else is it gonna be?
Just a metal plate. We get those a lot.
Holy crap, is it heavy?
I don't think that's a safe door.
I don't know what it is. Alright guys, here we are. So I just pulled this up. Me and Adam, I thought it was a safe door. I don't think it is anymore.
Nope, I think that's a sign, dude.
But it's got that bottom piece on there that looks like it's bolted into something. Or something was bolted into it.
That would thread in
Oh yeah.
onto a base. And then that would be, it would sit
Dude,
up
that
like
would be awesome if that's what that is. Yeah, we gotta get them rocks out there.
Get all
but
the
they're
stuff off of there.
stuck.
Because you can
right
kind
now.
of see, like,
Yeah.
it looks like a little bit of a design here.
Dude,
Maybe
that
that's
looks
a sign,
awesome.
dude.
Oh, that would be so awesome. Sweet.
Got something right now. I don't know what it is. Looks like it's just a chunk of metal.
Could be. Could just be a chunk of metal.
I think that's exactly what it is.
Might be. Sure is. Actually, it's freaking plastic with a nut in it. Haha. Nice. Alright. I don't know if you can see it, but way down there past Adam is Cal from Venture to Low. Showed up to hang out for a little while, but we're going to be bouncing here in a minute and do one or two more throws and we're out. So Max is getting in the car because he's cold.
Can you pop this up?
We haven't really got much since the shopping cart except for that big sign. That's pretty cool. So we're going to be bouncing soon. This is the last throw here. I don't know exactly what it is. It's heavy. Whatever it is, pretty heavy. I can't see it yet. What is it? That safe door?
Maybe, a mini one.
I don't know what it is. Just a big chunk of crap. Big crap lock.